Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're sharing Fiverr profile tips for new freelancers. Simple strategies to help you stand out, attract clients, and land your first gigs quickly. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more freelancing tips and guides. First, let's talk about your profile picture and username. Use a clear, professional photo where your face is visible. If you're not comfortable showing your face, a clean logo or avatar works too. Your username should be simple, easy to remember, and reflect your brand or skills. First impressions matter, and your profile is the first thing clients see. Next, focus on your profile description. Write a short, engaging bio that clearly explains what services you offer, your skills, and what makes you different from other freelancers. Use friendly but professional language, and include keywords that clients might search for. Highlight your experience, strengths, and how you can solve clients' problems. Then, set up gigs strategically. Each gig should have a clear title, descriptive overview, and relevant tags. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your work. Adding examples of your previous work, even small personal projects, can make a big difference. Clients love seeing proof that you can deliver results. Don't forget to set competitive pricing. As a new freelancer, start with lower rates to attract your first clients and build reviews. You can gradually increase your rates as you gain credibility and positive feedback. Remember, clear package options and well-defined deliverables make clients more likely to hire you. Finally, stay responsive and professional. Reply to messages quickly, be polite, and deliver work on time. Positive communication builds trust, and good reviews are essential for growing your Fiverr profile. Even 1 or 2 excellent reviews can kickstart your freelancing journey. In short, a strong Fiverr profile is all about a professional picture, a clear bio, well-crafted gigs, competitive pricing, and excellent communication. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to landing your first clients and building a successful freelancing career. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are starting on Fiverr, and subscribe for more tips on freelancing and online work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.